Hi, everyone. So I'm creating this screencast to describe what's going on in the pre-assessment analysis in your seminar class for student teaching. The first thing that I want to mention is this is a crossover assignment. You will be doing the first part of it in your student teaching course, and the second part of it here in your seminar course. That's what the instructions say at the beginning here, that you're going to administer or create and administer a pre-assessment for your observation 2 in your student teaching class. Then in seminar, you're going to take the data from that pre-assessment and explain how you use the data to prepare the learning you designed in the lesson plan for observation 2. So in student teaching, you will submit the pre-assessment and the answer key, as well as your lesson plan for observation 2. In seminar, you will turn in the data sheet you created out of how the students responded to your pre-assessment, the pre-assessment again, and then an essay that explains the changes or the adaptations you made to that lesson plan based on the pre-assessment data you collected, okay? And so again, it's kind of a two-part assignment. They're happening simultaneously, but over here in seminar, you're gonna submit a certain set of things, and over in student teaching, you're gonna submit a certain set of things. So you'll see that there are types of pre-assessments here. You'll have access to this link in student teaching as well. The possible data collection sheet, this is just to make a copy of an Excel sheet, but this can kind of show you what's expected. You would want to collect the data for each student on the items on the pre-assessment so that you can look at how the students did individually, but then you can also look at how they did across it. So you'll see on the Excel sheet, you would mark that the student got the item correct or incorrect, say number one's item. And you might find that all of the students got it correct except for one. So then that teaches you something about your individual needs of that one student. But if everyone missed it, then we've got something going on with the whole group. And so you'll submit that with this. And then I do have an example here of an analysis. It's on a blog, but it shows you kind of the purpose behind why we do pre-assessment and why that data is so crucial when we design our learning. So then you have prompts for the essay. So make sure to review these while you're working through both writing the pre-assessment in student teaching and preparing this analysis here in seminar. So you'll notice you have some bullets here that describe 3 particular students. So you're going to want to make sure to keep that in mind as you're working through this and creating that assessment and such. And then you have a rubric that goes along with it. And up here in bold, it just tells you that for this assignment, you'll turn in the pre-assessment, the data you collected in your essay. And like I said, in student teaching, you will have just turned in your pre-assessment and the answer key, okay? And then you'll want to use that data when you plan that lesson so that when you come to seminar for this particular assignment, you have a way to describe how you analyze that data and then design your learning based on it. All right, good luck with this assignment and reach out if you have any questions.